Hey, I'm Justin, and I'm a personal trainer, blogger, also created videos and spoken different companies in the last year. I'm gonna help you lose body fat in the long term, even with your busy lifestyle. In this course, first thing you're gonna look at, why you haven't gotten results before. So why haven't you gotten the results you actually wanted? Next thing, nutrition. You're gonna talk a lot about nutrition in this course. Gonna cover a lot of different things, like how can you make healthy eating more convenient? What is healthy eating? Those are two of the main things, but there's so much more. Also looking at exercise. What are the most effective workouts for fat loss? What are some short workouts you can do? Body weight workouts, workouts for traveling. I also have a guide for you for your exercise, so you know everything you can do to help you lose body fat. Every situation covered, everything that you need is in that. Also, at the end, a little bonus material, 52-week guide for exercise and nutrition, looking week by week. What should you be doing from January all the way through December to help you lose body fat? Again, in the long term, so you can make results, get results now, but also be able to maintain results going forward. You want to learn more from me, learn more from this course? Take the course. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.